what's going on, guys? Abby Cat Gamer here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm teaching you how to do a cool hairstyle. I don't know what it's called, but it's amazing. So first you want to make 3 ponytails, as you can see. The rubber bands are kind of light, so it's going to be hard. I'm going to give her hair a good brush. I already brushed the hair before the video, and I made 3 ponytails because nobody wants to see me sitting there slowly but surely making the ponytails. So take the middle one. The middle one won't be in the middle. Split it evenly. And you can use a marker like a rose. I don't mean like a marker. I'm using a doll to get the correct hairstyle because one of my dolls. I apologize. So you see this? Take it, cross them, as shown. Actually, don't cross them. Make sure the middle ponytail lines up with the headline. Make sure. That's how you get it. And then tie. And then tie it. Sorry guys. Her hair is thin. My Rapunzel hairstyle on Head's hair is thin. So it's gonna take a long time. It take a little bit. So if it's nighttime, only if it's nighttime, because it's nighttime right now. Tell me something in the comments that you're excited about today. Could be anything, like winning an award, learning something in school, because it's Friday. Well, if you had school. Well, tell me something that you were proud of. Something that I was proud of today has to be that I finally learned how to get a strong hold in my hair. So it should be as shown. Her hair's a little sloppy, but it should be as shown. With it tied, including the little part of the middle one. Take the other part of the middle one and tie it again. There's one right here. Might put some music here. I might put some music here. If I don't edit my video, then I won't put music, but if I do. Just so you know, guys, if you're new, I have about 30% chance of editing my videos when I say I edit my videos. I have a 30% chance. I might be thinking, this looks weird. On mine, it looks weird because, his hair is a little sloppy. Her hair is dark, so it's weird. So you see that? Danny's here towards the end of the video. He just showed up.
Because maybe you might have seen me at the start. I don't know if you've seen my legs.
Yeah, so tie this creation up and then you are done. Well, yours might look even better than mine because, you know, it's bedtime. If you're watching at night, don't forget to tell me something that you are proud of in the comments section down below. If you do, then I will definitely heart your comment. Yes, I will heart your comment if you do it. So make sure. It could be anything. I'm proud of today for finally learning how to get to a strong hold. So make sure. This hairstyle would be great on anybody. Even if you want to do it on a person, then that would be great. Now, you guys don't want to see this at all. You guys don't want to see that doll because its leg just fell off. You don't want to see it. It's so creepy. Before bedtime, if you're watching this, don't do it. Then afterwards, give it a good brush. Wait a second. My twist came undone. It's okay if you Alright. So if you want to braid it, then you could braid it. Red ball in the top left corner, right there, if you want to look at it. And you can. But you could braid your doll's hair. I'm going to show you the final thing, so I want you guys to stay with me. This is probably my first time doing a braid in my entire life. It's actually turned out pretty nice. This is my first time doing a braid in my entire life. Dave, this is my first time doing a braid in my entire life. Alright. This braid is still there. And I just finished braiding. Let me tie it. And let me just. So let me just tie this up. I'm sorry if it's taking long because dang it, my braid got messed up. But you guys can braid the hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Look it up on that cute cat Lila. It might be there. Actually, when I edit it, I might put the picture at the end. So definitely look at the end for my picture. Stay tuned for the end and look for my picture. Goodbye.